Hello everyone, William with Alliance. Today I want to review emergency parts and tools to keep on your concrete pump in case of an emergency on a job site. So here we got an Alliance O-ring kit. This comes with the most common O-rings used on our pump. Great to have. Inside this box here we have a spare fitting kit. This will help you out in an emergency if you got to swap a line or change a hydraulic hose. We also have test gauges in here. Great for checking pressures if we need to. Moving along to all these relays, electrical components. Make sure your electrical panel has fuses, relays, any other electrical component you can use. Sometimes guys will carry a DIN plug, a solenoid, those kind of things. Let's go into my bag of tools here. Duct tape, tape measure, pick set, light. Never know when you need a flashlight. The ratcheting wrench, dual sided, 21-26, perfect. Chipping gun, magnet, pressure gauge for your tires. Also with the chipping gun, this here I'd have a 50-foot air hose that you can plug in your air tank. It'd be perfect to fill your tires, run your chipping gun. Then also, same deal with air blow-off cap. If you're unsure on how to use that, please call. We'll explain how to use that. Don't use that if you have never used it. Pry bar. You never know when you need a pry bar. Small or big pry bar. You never know. This big pry bar could help you out chipping concrete out of your hopper or whatever. Test light. Multimeter. Pair of good pliers. These are open quite large, so if you need to grab on something and open and close something, you can. Zip ties, needle nose pliers, screwdriver. I have 1 tube of grease. I'd have a whole case, like 10-pack of grease. Spare hammer. You never know. Your hammer walks off on the job. Got a spare hammer. Mechanics wire, Teflon tape, electrical tape, box cutter, knife. Needle nose vice grips, always come in handy. Spare chunk of electrical wire, preferably strip the ends prior or have a wire stripper. Other things I carry, fan belt, another safety sling for your pump, 5 gallons of hydraulic oil, 5 gallons of hydraulic oil, spare set of sponges to go with your blow-off cap, spare gaskets, spare water hose, spare water nozzle, because you never know, you might need to run off someone's faucet on their house to fill your water tank if you've used all your water. That's all my tools. This is a good tool bag. Snap clamp. The extra DEF fluid. Jumper cables. If your alternator goes, battery fails, electrical problems, you got that there. Fuel filter. I've used this before on the job. WD-40. Best friend. Coke. This one's obviously drank, but a couple cans of Coke, a couple 2 liters. Big bag for spills, washing out. You never know. This washout bag can come in handy. That's there. Then yeah, make sure you got a spill kit. Sits on your desk nicely. This spill kit can offer as a bucket to catch oil. If you got an oil leak or anything going on, you can use that to collect all your tools after doing a repair. Stock. Make sure you keep this blue toolbox stocked. It comes with all the wrenches, Allen wrenches. It comes with a hammer, scraper, ratcheting wrench, big wrenches for hydraulic fittings. Spare hose kit. Make sure that if you use a hose on your spare hose kit that you replenish that. I got a big bag of rags here. You don't need a full bag of rags, but rags are definitely handy. Make sure you got motor oil. This 1540, a couple gallons is good. Flare kit, you never know when you're stuck on the side of the road for something, blown tire, whatever. Fire extinguisher, it might not even be your vehicle, but you stop and help be a good Samaritan. And then coolant, you never know. You can use water, but then a jug of coolant is important too. But all what I have here easily fits in a toolbox and a side cabinet on a concrete pump. If you guys have any questions on anything I've shown here or have anything to comment, anything we can add to our list, please comment, and love to hear from you. Have a good day.